Hello friends, myself Mahesh. In today's lecture, we will see how to use the apply function into the pandas and how to make a new columns, okay, into the Python and pandas. We will see in detail. So there is one data file having two columns, names and age, okay, having Mahesh, Sarah, and Michael and their respective age. So my aim is to make them in a beautiful way. That is name. These are not in a good format, so I will format them. So first I will create one df as a variable there. So first I will create the data frame and data here print, sorry, print df. Okay. So let's say, so names and age are two columns that are printed here. But my aim is to make these names in beautiful way or in a proper way. So I will create one method that is, let's say, clean name. Okay, and I will pass one parameter as a names. So what it will return? It will return that name dot title. Okay, sorry, title. This is simple method I have made. So I want to make a new column. I want to make a new column there. Let's say mm, clean name or new name. New name. So this is new column. Then df, because df means this. Okay. So df, which is the original column, that is names. Okay, names. And what I have to use the apply there. What? Apply. What I have to apply? I want to apply this method that we have created right now. Clean name. Okay. So how many columns will be there? Now Mahesh names is the first column, age will be second column, and this new name will be third column. Now let's see the magics. Now I am printing the df. Okay. So let's see the result. Yeah. So original print df is only having only two columns, but here three columns. So I will make this as a now. CLS. Hmm. Okay, so names, age, and new name. So if you see this Mahesh is there, now it is in proper capital letter. Capitalization has been done. Sarah, see, like this. So this is a way that we use the method clean name and we apply that. We use that method into here. Means I use the dot apply and I use this clean name, clean underscore name here. Okay, this is a one way. Another one way is this is age. This is age, and I want to do some uh, new. I want to apply. Let's say I want to make a new column there. So what I will do? Let's say df mean age, mean age, mean age, which is equal to df, and which column is there? Age column is there. Dot apply. Okay, dot apply np dot average, average. Okay, and if I now print this df, what will happen? See, new mean age, new column will be mean age, or let's say not average, I take square root, square root only. So let's say square of age, hmm? Like this. Yeah, so square root will be printed, means I apply this np numpy and square root, which is square root of 12, that is 3.46 in this way. So this is the way to how to I made one apply clean name methods and I use there. Here I use there, I apply, and I we studied that how to make a new column. So this is format of creating new column. ठीक है. So this is the pandas data frames, and we made a beautiful and meaningful lesson. We learned the meaningful lessons, how to apply the how to use the apply method, and how to create the new columns into the pandas data frame. Okay, thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel.